friends! We're going to make another interesting character with which we love to play too. This is Angry Bird. It looks angry, and when it's angry, it gets red. So we will color it like this. Let's go step by step. We make a circle, darken the outline, and we make the eyebrows. Then the beak and the eyes. And this is the tail. And these are feathers. Now we start painting it with red color because Angry Birds are red. We paint it with a broad brush. Like this. We won't put the color on the eyebrows, so we need to be careful. And while we color it, we're going to leave these two circles uncolored. We're gonna paint around it like this. Yes! Fill up the entire gap. Let's color the side of the face, under the beak, and the feathers. The feathers are also red. Now the beak with the color yellow. We can mix white and yellow to make it lighter, like this. And we paint inside the beak like this, not crossing over the outline. You blend it properly. Okay, let's get started with the eyebrows with the black color. We will paint inside the outline of the eyebrows so that the black color doesn't smudge on the face. Yes, the eyebrows are colored now. Okay, now the eyes. With black color, because the eyes are black. And the tail now, with black color, like this. We will fill the color inside the outline very neatly. And then under the eyes, with brownish maroon color. Also inside the circles. Neatly and properly. Now under the second eye. Now the lower part of the face, in beige color. Keep the paint inside the outline. We can use broad brush for this, as we did above. Now, the outlines will make them dark and clear. The outline of the eyes. We will neatly do the outline of the face and the feathers too. Yes? Yeah, we will use black sketch color for this. Completing the outline of the face, which is round. Like this. Be careful, there's no rush. Now the angry bird is ready. Now we're gonna make Hello Kitty. Now we'll start by drawing the face, a round circle, then another circle like this. Then the kitty's face. We make it properly with the outline, and the legs, and the hands. We make 2 lines on each hand. And we complete the legs, then the whiskers, then the eyes, and the nose. And this is Kitty's flower clip. It looks adorable. Now let's paint Kitty's dress in pink color. We paint it neatly so that the color doesn't get smudged on the outlines. We keep it inside the dress, so paint the dress like this. Yes, slowly and carefully so that it looks neat. It's such a beautiful pink color. The kitty loves the color pink. Okay, the dress is done now. Let's finish it up so that there are no gaps in between. Now let's paint the hands of the kitty. We can paint it in red color, or you can pick another color of your choice. We paint it like this with the brush carefully, so that the color doesn't spill on the black outline. Now we're going to paint the flower clip of the kitty. We're going to use red color for this too. We paint it nice and slow like this, without smudging the color. And be careful to not cross over the outline. Alright, let's finish it up. Make sure you fill up all the gaps. And this is the color of the kitty's dress. We're gonna paint it with red too. And then the nose with yellow color. We're gonna use the smaller brush because we need to color the smaller circles. Now let's do the eyes. We can use the black sketch color to color the eyes. Yay! The kitty is complete! Wowkidz! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.